Every time you enter a Hindu temple, you hear this.
But have you ever wondered, why do Hindus ring bells before praying? Was it just a tradition? Or did the ancient Hindus know something modern science is only beginning to understand? In Hinduism, the temple bell is called ghanta or ghanti. Ancient scriptures says the sound of the bell removes negative energy and prepares the mind for the divine. But this idea may be deeper than it sounds. When a bell rings, its vibration creates a long-lasting resonance. Traditional temple bells were carefully made using different metals like copper, silver, zinc, iron, and tin. Why? Because these metals create complex frequencies that vibrates for several seconds. And during those few moments, your brain naturally becomes more focused. Modern studies on sound frequencies suggest that certain vibration can improve concentration, calm mental chatter, and shift brain activity towards meditative states. In simple words, the bell helps your mind leave the outside world and enter a sacred state. In Hindu philosophy, the universe itself began with sound.
What is the sound that is not made by any two things striking together? It is Om. It is the sound of the energy of the universe of which all things are manifestations.
So when the temple bell rings, it symbolizes awakening consciousness. Not waking up the God, but waking up you. So next time you hear a temple bell, don't hear it as a noise. Hear it as an ancient technology of the mind, hidden inside the spirituality for thousands of years. Perhaps the ancients understood vibrations long before modern science gave it a name.
Subscribe to Global Hinduism to learn more about Hinduism.